Now, I've been searching for an everyday camera bag that I actually enjoy using. Something that's small enough to bring everywhere, but still carries everything I actually need. After my last video on the SAKK V2, SAKK actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try some of their other camera bags. And that's how I found the SAKK Rolltop Ranger. Right from day one, I genuinely enjoyed using it, and I was honestly surprised by the quality. So in this video, instead of focusing on specs, I'll show you how I actually use it and why I like it so much. Here's more or less what I bring on a regular shoot day or when I travel. My Sony a7 IV with a 2470 GM2, plus the 1635 and sometimes the 70-200. I'll also bring my DJI Mini 4 Pro, extra batteries, and my Insta360 for BDS shots. All of that goes into the camera cube. Then I have my 16-inch MacBook Pro on cables, which usually go here, and everything else goes into the roll top section above the camera cube. And what I like about it is that you can scale it depending on the day, throwing in things like a jacket or whatever else I need. I also keep my tripod on the side and smaller things like my passport in the front for quick access. This covers pretty much everything I need when I'm not on a big production set. I've used it for smaller client shoots where I only need a minimal setup, and for days where I go out and shoot my own content. It has also become my go-to for travel since it's just the right size to bring as a carry-on, and I can actually enjoy walking around and explore a new city without it getting in the way. I've also been testing it on a recent documentary shoot in Mallorca, and it ended up being the perfect size to move around quickly while still carrying everything I needed. A cool feature I found on this bag is the side axis. I can just swing the bag around, grab my camera, and start shooting. It's quick and saves me the struggle of having to put the bag down just to grab my camera and risk missing a shot. Honestly though, most of the time, I still carry my camera with a backpack clip from Falcom, which I bought separately and makes reaching for my cam even easier. My first impression of this bag was honestly, it looks even better in person than in the photos. At first glance, it didn't even look like a camera bag. The boxy shape and waterproof material give it this really clean and minimal look. And while it may not look like it, I was honestly surprised by how comfortable it was, even during days where I was walking around with literally 10 kilos of gear on my back. I also use the sternum strap and top adjustment straps to distribute the weight a bit better when the bag is fully packed. Another thing I like is that it actually keeps its shape, unlike a lot of other roll top bags that can feel kind of flimsy. It gives me a bit more confidence when I have to put the bag down somewhere or move around quickly with my gear inside. My favorite thing about this bag is how low profile it is. It doesn't scream, "I'm a camera bag," which helps avoid unwanted attention. The front zipper design is pretty smart too, because it gives me access to the top section without having to unroll the entire bag on days where I'm packing light. Another thing I like is that I can turn it into a regular backpack just by removing the camera cube. I could generally use it as a gym bag if I wanted to. And lastly, it just looks good. If I'm investing in a camera bag, it should look good in everyday use and in photos as well. Something to consider though is that the bag weighs around 1.7 kilos on its own, which can add up pretty quickly if you're traveling with carry-on limits where every kilo counts. Another thing is, if you're planning to carry a lot of gear, you might eventually find the space a bit limiting. For those days, I usually switch to my SAKK V2. That's the bag I use for bigger production setups where I can fit a fully rigged camera without disassembling it, while still carrying things like gimbals, multiple cameras, and extra lenses. And lastly, the price. At around $199, it definitely isn't the cheapest bag out there. But for the build quality and overall experience, I honestly think it's worth every dollar. If I had seen this bag in person before, I personally would have bought it with my own money. Overall, I'm absolutely loving the SAKK Rolltop Ranger. It's small, flexible, and just looks good. And because of that, I don't really think twice anymore whether I want to bring a backpack or not when I go out. And I've honestly been bringing my camera around a lot more often. Traveling has been much more fun as well because the size doesn't get in my way and I can just focus on enjoying the moment and capturing it. And honestly, I think any bag that makes you bring your camera around more is already doing something right. If you do need something bigger though and want to see how I pack for bigger productions, check out this video right here.